All right, a lot of people keep asking me, how do I connect my V-mount adapter to the back of my Shogun Inferno using the small rig cams? And I got the $60 adapter, $68 adapter, and I use one bolt, but you can use multiple if you want, but I use one bolt to put it towards the left over the hard drive slot, because you don't need to go out and just slide your hard drive in. That gives me enough room to still add two batteries and a V-mount battery as well, so it's dual battery. If you got one of these, you know this thing eats a lot of battery life. I've seen some adapters that connect on the back of here or connect on the back of your FS5 that will allow you to put a V-mount battery, and that's cool. My FS5 runs off batteries forever. I don't have a problem with that. However, this thing drains batteries like crazy, so I put it on with that bolt and I connect it. I'll show you how I do it. Now, the reason why I put it in the last hole is because it leaves room for my D-tap on the side. If you have V-mount batteries that does not have a D-tap on this side, then you can scoot it closer. But it allowed me to plug the cable in. I have access to my button. I wrap the cable around just because this is a longer cable. It's very sturdy, no problems, and it works like a charm. So I can power it on, and I still have all three batteries, which I think two of these are dead, but yeah, I think two of my batteries are dead, but my DC is working fine, and it's charging the other batteries while it's working. So
right here.
it is a perfect setup. You can run two smaller batteries if you want. You don't have to run these two huge batteries. You can run two smaller batteries as backup batteries. Right now, I'm actually about to take them two off and just run my V-mount for weight purposes. But yeah, that's how I do it. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.